Welcome to this summary of our series on forces between multiple charges, a crucial topic for understanding electricity and magnetism. We began by exploring Coulomb's law, the fundamental principle for calculating the electric force between any two charged particles at rest. This law states that the electrical force is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The force acts along the line connecting the charges, being attractive for opposite charges and repulsive for like charges, applying specifically to point charges. Next, we delved into the superposition principle, reminding us that the net force on a charge due to multiple others is the vector sum of individual forces. Each charge creates an electric field independently, and the resulting field is the vector sum of these individual fields. To find the net force, treat each force as a vector, summing their components in each direction to obtain the final net force vector. We also highlighted the importance of recognizing symmetry in electrostatic problems, as it can significantly simplify calculations. When charges are arranged symmetrically, the net force is often easier to determine because some force components will naturally cancel out. Finally, we encourage you to practice applying these concepts diligently. Mastering the geometry and vector math involved in these calculations is absolutely crucial for your success in physics. Remember, electric forces may be invisible, but they shape everything, from atoms to galaxies. These forces hold atoms together by attracting negatively charged electrons to the positively charged nucleus. They are responsible for everyday phenomena like static electricity and the operation of electronic devices. Even at cosmic scales, electric forces play a role in the behavior of ionized gases and magnetic fields within galaxies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of electric forces. Subscribe to VidhyaKshetra Physics for more clear and visual explanations on electricity and magnetism. Like, share, and comment your questions. Let's learn together.